If your credit score has taken a hit or if you've been denied credit in the past, don't worry. You're not alone, and more importantly, you're not stuck. In June 2025, the US credit card market has introduced some of the most practical and powerful options specifically designed for people with bad credit. These cards are made to help you rebuild, recover, and restart your financial journey without the judgment or impossible requirements that held you back before. Whether your score dropped due to missed payments, bankruptcy, or life circumstances beyond your control, this video will guide you toward real solutions. And if you're serious about taking control of your finances again, you're in exactly the right place. Today, you've clicked on the right video at the right time because what you're about to see is a full breakdown of the best credit cards for bad credit available in the USA right now. We're going to show you which cards offer guaranteed approvals, which ones report to all 3 credit bureaus, and which ones give you a real path to improve your credit score month by month. These are not scams. These are not junk mail offers. These are trusted options from real US banks and fintech issuers, carefully selected for people just like you. So do yourself a favor. Watch this video till the very end, because the final 2 credit cards we reveal come with game-changing benefits that most people overlook. These cards could change your credit life in the next 6 to 12 months if used correctly. And if you're ready to take your credit from bad to good and eventually excellent, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. We post real research-backed videos every week to help you fix your credit, build your score, and unlock the financial freedom you deserve in the USA. Card number 1, the Secured Self-Visa Registered Trademark Credit Card. The Secured Self-Visa Registered Trademark Credit Card Asterisk is a secured credit card that touts unusual features targeted to consumers struggling to build credit. For one, the card requires no credit check. And while the card calls for a security deposit of at least $100, you can use a self-credit builder loan to meet that requirement. You can also secure your card with a debit card or a linked bank account. The card has no minimum credit score requirement, and it reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Cardholders pay a $0 annual fee and a 28.24% annual percentage rate. If you use a self-credit builder loan to secure the card, you will have to pay the loan's costs as well and will have to make at least 3 months of on-time payments and meet other requirements to qualify. The card doesn't earn rewards or offer a 0% introductory rate on purchases or balance transfers. With no credit check and a high approval rate, the Secured Self-Visa Registered Trademark Credit Card Asterisk is made for building credit. You can use it to access credit and build a positive credit history by making on-time payments and keeping your credit utilization low, ideally, a balance of less than 30% of your credit limit. Your initial credit limit matches the security deposit you make when opening this card. You'll have to deposit at least $100, so you'll have at least a $100 credit limit. That's not much if you plan to use the card for everyday purchases. For example, by spending $30 on a card with a $100 credit limit, you'd reach 30% credit utilization. You could use this card to make small purchases and pay them off each month. If you'd like to use it for everyday purchases, you should make a larger security deposit to have more room to spend without exceeding 30% of your credit limit. Cardholders with limited access to cash can opt to secure the card with a self-credit builder loan. To qualify for the credit card, you must make at least 3 on-time payments toward your credit builder loan, have $100 or more in savings progress, and keep your account in good standing. Take note that these loans have their own costs. The card has a 28.24% APR, so you shouldn't carry a balance. Card number 2. Discover It. Registered Trademark Secured Credit Card. The Discover It Registered Trademark Secured Credit Card is a rewards credit card for those who are new to credit, have poor or bad credit, or are rebuilding credit. With it, cardholders can earn 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter automatically. Plus, earn unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases. With the Discover It Registered Trademark Secured Credit Card, Discover will automatically match all the cash back you've earned at the end of your first year. The main objective of any secured credit card is to build a good credit history by making on-time payments and maintaining low credit utilization. Earning rewards with a secured credit card is nice, but don't feel the need to spend just to earn cash back. The card still has a high APR on purchases, so try to pay off your balance each month to avoid incurring interest. It's best for building your credit if you only use a small P. Card number 4, U.S. Bank Secured Visa Registered Trademark Card. The U.S. Bank Secured Visa Registered Trademark Card is designed specifically for people who are building or rebuilding their credit history in the United States. It is a secured credit card, meaning you'll need to make a refundable security deposit, which also acts as your credit limit. This card is issued by U.S. Bank, one of the largest and most reputable banks in the country. It reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, making it an excellent tool for establishing positive credit behavior. There is no rewards program on this card, as its primary purpose is to help users develop creditworthiness. The minimum deposit requirement is $300, and you can increase your credit line by depositing up to $5,000. It comes with zero liability protection, which means you won't be held responsible for unauthorized purchases. You can also set up account alerts and auto pay to stay on top of your payments. The card has an annual fee of $0, making it a low-cost option for beginners. U.S. Bank allows you to graduate to an unsecured card with the responsible usage over time. It also comes with free access to your credit score, helping you track your progress. Online account management and the mobile app are both user-friendly and secure. This card works anywhere Visa is accepted, both online and in stores worldwide. It also includes fraud protection and encryption technology for added safety. You can set your own credit limit based on your deposit, giving you flexible control. The application process is simple, and you can check your approval status online. U.S. Bank is known for strong customer service and offers 24/7 support. Responsible use of this card can help you qualify for better credit cards in the future. It's a smart entry point for students, young adults, or anyone starting their credit journey. Designed for building or rebuilding credit history, the U.S. Bank Secured Visa Registered Trademark Card is a secured credit card with a $0 annual fee. Cardholders must put down a minimum security deposit of $300, either online or by mail. The card offers benefits, including free monthly TransUnion credit score access, zero fraud liability coverage, and fraud protection. It carries a 29.24% variable APR on purchases and balance transfers. A secured card like the U.S. Bank Secured Visa Registered Trademark Card is meant to be a trial run to prove that you're responsible enough to have an unsecured credit card. To grow your score, make small purchases each month and pay your bill in full and on time. Also, take advantage of the free credit score access and score simulator tool offered to cardholders through TransUnion's CreditView trademark dashboard, so you can track your credit building progress. The U.S. Bank Secured Visa Registered Trademark Card doesn't earn rewards, but you can make the most of its credit building features. Set up automatic payments to ensure that you're never late. Paying on time is the most important factor in your credit score, and if you're trying to build credit, missing a due date can significantly delay your progress. Card number 5, Bank AmeriCard, Registered Trademark Secured Credit Card. The Bank AmeriCard Registered Trademark Secured Credit Card is intended to help cardholders establish or rebuild their credit. The card charges a $0 annual fee and requires a minimum security deposit of $200, with a maximum of $5,000. The APR for purchases and balance transfers is 25.24% variable APR variable dot. The Bank AmeriCard Registered Trademark Secured Credit Card can help you establish or improve your credit with access to your FICO Registered Trademark score for free each month. You can also link the card to a Bank of America deposit account for optional overdraft protection services. If you're looking to build your credit, the best way to use the Bank AmeriCard registered trademark secured credit card is to use a small amount of your available credit each month and to always pay your balance off before the grace period ends. This will prevent you from incurring interest charges and help you build a positive credit history. The Bank AmeriCard registered trademark secured credit card is a good option for those who are looking to build their credit with no annual fee and a credit line that matches their security deposit. If meeting the $200 minimum security deposit proves difficult for you, the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card has a minimum deposit of just $49. The Discover It registered trademark secured credit card is an option if you want to earn rewards with your secured credit card. With the Discover It registered trademark secured credit card, you'll earn 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter automatically. Plus, earn unlimited 1% cash back on all their purchases. The Bank AmeriCard registered trademark secured credit card is designed for people in the USA who want to build or rebuild their credit. It requires a refundable security deposit, which also becomes your credit limit, starting from $200 up to $5,000. This card has no annual fee, making it budget-friendly for students, beginners, or those recovering from poor credit. It does not